Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you are good, great, fantaberifical. First and foremost, I have to say, my hands are flailing about the screen. They do not match the words coming out of my mouth. That's because when I initially recorded this live intro, something happened to the audio, so here I am with a voiceover. Anywho, I hope these hands don't distract you. But welcome to the Pick Your Passion Hop number 3. I was asked to join this hop by the lovely Peg, and I was so happy to oblige because it gave me a reason to do another mixed media collage. You guys know that is my biggest passion. I love collage. I love mixed media. I love ripping up papers and sticking them down, and that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. I'm gonna add these wooden squares in there. I felt like adding something a little extra this time. So I didn't have a big idea and vision of this page. I just knew that I wanted it to have blue in it, hence the blue paint. And I knew that I wanted to throw some of those squares on there somewhere. So that's what I did. This is my collage book. I made this collage journal in a video, so if when you're done the hop, you want to check out my channel if you're not already following me, there's a playlist on there where you could see me making this book. And yeah, we're just going to pick a page. We're going to do my most passionable, that is not a word, but we're going to do what I'm most passionate about in art, which is mixed media collage. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I might pop back in the end to talk about what we did. And yeah, make sure you guys check the description below to continue in the hop. All the links are down there. You guys know how hops work. You click the next link, you go to the video, you enjoy, you click the next link, you go to the, you're hopping around. So happy hopping. And let's get into the video. I'm gonna speed it up and just throw on some music. Enjoy. is it. I hope you enjoyed this process as much as I enjoyed creating it. This honestly and truly embodies everything I'm passionate about in art: mixed media, collage, the ripping of the papers, the tissue, which is my life, the different textures, the splatter, the color. This is just everything I love. Everything I love. And that's what this hop is about. Each video you go to is going to be someone that is creating something wonderful from their passions, and everything is different. There's so much to see. So I hope you guys enjoyed your little stop here, and make sure, of course, that you check out the description below. All the links are going to be down there. Get to hopping. I hope you have your snacks. There's gonna be a lot of watching and a lot of good stuff. So happy hopping, and everyone have a wonderful day. Bye.